Hi, this is Preston Sandler with Home Inspection Carolina. I want to show you what happens when you don't wrap your ductwork. See, this is air conditioning going on to a metal boot there, and it's not wrapped very well, which is causing a lot of sweating, which is in turn damaging that wood, causing moisture damage there. And actually has been going on for quite a while. It's just not wrapped very well, and actually it's right up against the wood. It shouldn't be right up against it, and you can see it's creating some fungus and fungal growth and some moisture problems associated with that. It makes me want to pull all of them back now, and that's what we'll do. Okay, here's another couple of those ducts. Again, it's just not wrapped very well, and there's a metal boot right there, and it's causing a lot of condensation right where the air conditioning vent comes through, which is creating a high moisture situation, which is damaging the wood, which is also creating, I think, leading to all this fungal growth here that you see. We've just got to get that, we've got to pull those out and see how bad the wood is, and then rewrap those things a lot better. It's really an air conditioning problem, I think, that's caused that.